These Korean-style shrimp pancakes are super satisfying comfort food with juicy bakes of shrimp and a crispy crust. It is served with a homemade savory and spicy dipping sauce. The flavor is divine and you will fall in love. First, let's prepare the dipping sauce. In a small bowl, adding 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of gochujang, Korean spicy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Give it a good mix. Now adding some sesame seeds and some chopped green onions. Mix well again and set it aside. Now we are gonna prepare some green onions. I use 8 green onions and slice them in half lengthwise and cut into 5 cm long. Put them in a bowl and set aside. Now we are gonna prepare the pancake batter. In a small mixing bowl, adding 3 large eggs and 1 cup of water. Give it a good whisk until it's well combined. Set it aside. Next, in a large mixing bowl, adding 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 pinches of black pepper. Then pour in the egg mixture. Combine everything well until you get a smooth texture. Then adding the green onions. Mix to combine well. For the shrimp, you will need 10 large shrimp that are peeled and deveined and cut into half lengthwise. Next, in a 20 cm non-stick frying pan, add some vegetable oil on medium-high heat. Add about half the batter and distribute it evenly in the pan. Before the pancake sets, evenly place 6 to 8 pieces of shrimp on top and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. When the bottom of the pancake turns golden, flip the pancake. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the shrimp are cooked. Now transfer and drain on paper towel. Repeat the same procedure with the rest of the batter and finish making another pancake, or more depending on the size of your pan. It is important to flip the pancake only once, as the shrimp needs to set completely while cooking. You can cut the pancake in slices just like a pizza and serve warm with the pre-made dipping sauce. Korean shrimp pancakes can be enjoyed as appetizers, snacks, and as a main course. As a main course, this recipe is perfect for 3 to 4 people. If serving for snacks, it will work for 5 to 6 people. The dipping sauce is savory and spicy, and the recipe is simple and takes only 15 minutes to make. I hope you can give it a try. If you like my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!